Right, time to clean those grubby machine accessories of yours. I know it's been a while. S15 Espresso tablets, they're always my go-to. It can be either the tablets or powder form, doesn't really matter. You're going to grab 2 of these into a big bowl. Doesn't have to be metal, it can be anything you've got. Going to then hit it with some boiling water from the kettle. Just fill it till it covers everything. It's not really too fussy. Like, you'll see how much you need here. Then you're going to grab your accessories. Now, these I cleaned last week. They don't actually look too bad. Like, I've kept them clean throughout the week, but you'll instantly see, once you chuck everything in this solution, how much coffee residue is left over in the accessories. As you can see, it's already starting to turn brown with all the coffee coming out of it. And I'll usually let this just sit in the solution with the water for about 5 to 10 minutes. This is after about 5 to 10 minutes in the bath of water. I'm going to end up tipping all this out. Then what you want to do once you've tipped it all out is just to rinse each item. Don't be silly and throw it straight back in the machine. Probably rinse it with water, and then you want to run 1 shot through each basket just to make sure everything's all clean. I probably wouldn't bother drinking the first couple of shots. And then there you have it. You're ready for another week of delicious coffee. Be sure to drop me a like and a follow to see some more how-tos and tutorials. Cheers.